Hello and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. In this video I want to look at some children's books that involve horses. I'd like to get started. First book is by Patricia Polacco, and I mentioned that one of the Curlich's paintings, that one of the wagons looked a bit like an Amish wagon carriage. Well, this is an Amish carriage that's used on the roads with various warning signals, and this is a magical story written and illustrated by Patricia Polacco. She is such a warm heart, embracing cultures, and I just find all her picture books are magical, just plain fancy. I've got something marked here. I don't know. There, I've got some communal sense here. The Amish are come for a frolic, and the families are all arriving, and the men and the boys are helping to add a stable onto the barn, and yeah, as I say, magical, I think, is the word that comes to my mind. Mrs. Mack. Now, Mrs. Mack is a veterinarian, and this is a magical story as well. And this is by Emily Arnold McCulley. She, like Patricia Polacco, writes a story and illustrates it. The Wonder Horse, the true story of the world's smartest horse, which I hadn't heard before, but it's a magical story too. And the next 5 books are all done by Mitsumasa Anno. Anno's Journey was the first book in 1977. And it's I think he's in, I don't know where for sure he's in, somewhere in Europe, France, Germany maybe. I'm just not sure. But there's details on every page, well worth looking at. Here's a scene to give you an idea. Again, cooperative, people working together to get the harvest of the grapes. And there's, of course, always for a young child to find Anno on each of the double-page spread. But also there are, as one grows, allusions to artwork, famous artwork, to famous stories to look for, and illusions. Sometimes there's clever optical illusions, something that Anno was keen about. His book on Italy, well, I have something there too, I don't know. Oh, people working together in the gardening, horse being used there. Where's Anno? Where is he? Oh, there he is. And is there anything else going on here that might be part of another kind of story? Something interesting going on here. Oh, and there too. So, Anno's Britain. I just find these books are totally amazing. Anno's USA. And the last one that he did was Anno's Spain. Now, that's not to say that these were the only books he ever did. So I hope to show you more of his amazing, interests, far-reaching. So, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.